So I made this little mess to show you guys what I've made by myself and the things that I have bought. Okay, there's the Prego sauce or spaghetti sauce that I made. This was bought. I think you can tell which ones were bought and which ones that I made. Like, for example, the sugar was bought. This and all the other things right here were, see, I made this, this. This was bought. These chocolates, this was made, not made, bought, made. This was bought, Crunch was bought, that. So all the little Kit Kat, all that was bought. This was made, not very well, but it's a Dawn refill thing. Doritos, cookies. These were made with resin. So was that. So the see-through ones were made with resin. This was also bought. So was this. Well, this is a gift from my son. Whipped cream made. These containers were bought, but the food inside I made. The pizza and then the little cupcakes. And this was inside my drawers. Those are spoons. These are knives. And you can see that for the kitchen. Even though, and then the pans. All of these right here were inside the freezer on the bottom. You can tell which ones that I made and which ones were bought. The ones that I made have the white around it. And the really nice packagings were all bought, came from England. And there's another set. Some of the things that were inside the fridge. I made that turkey. And then other items right there. You can tell which ones were made and so on. You can see a little bit left. So that was all in the drawer right there. I'm going to put everything back. And these were the ones that were right here with that. So I just decided to open everything and show you guys. This is what was in this drawer. The aluminum foil. And then this. Forks and knives. And I took everything out of the drawers that were down here. That was in the fridge. Sandwiches and Jell-O with fruit. My grandma used to make it that way. Okay, over here, these are the only things that I can take out. And if you can see in the back, the rest of the dishes for the tea is right there. I made this, and that goes back there. So I'm gonna have to clean all this up in a bit. So like, as you can see, these two I made. These were bought. So were the books. This book I made. The rest were bought. I made this little purse. I didn't show it last time. And the little things inside the drawer right there were bought. But everything on that, almost everything on that shelf I made. And this is how it looks on the inside of the shower with the products and things. Okay, so here is the things that I bought for that were on that little trolley, that gray trolley, the cleaning one, and the things that I made. I'm gonna have to re-glue this so you can tell the ones that I made and the ones that were bought. Try to make a cleaning Mr. Clean bottle, but it didn't work out very well, but oh well. And this was everything that was in the fridge. Here's the foods that were up there. Okay, and then here is what was in this drawer. See, toothpaste, Maldron, Band-Aids. Made that. This also came with the set that my son gave me years ago. And see, Colgate, all that was bought. The nice ones right there. Band-Aid again bought. This was made. Febreze was made. This was made, and then this soap was not made. And here's another drawer with, you know, hair things. I'm gonna put everything back when I'm done, showing you guys the things that I made and placed in the little drawers and things. And then the living room, there's nothing, so that's why I didn't do the living room. So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this. It's gonna take me a couple of hours because I shake so bad. So, all right. Hope you guys liked it. This is a labor of love, and I try really hard to make it look real, even inside the drawers. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.